So here is our brand new 24-passenger shuttle bus. Let's take a look. And as you can see, a little bit different than a party bus. All the seats are facing forward, just like a regular bus. Brand new seating with armrests, and of course seat belts on every seat in here. And of course, when you're in, you've got lots of storage on either side. And if you do have to get from end to end on the bus, you've got the railing to get there as well. Plenty of storage in here. Perfect idea if you've got a ski trip heading out to the mountains. We've got lots of storage. If you've got a wedding batch of people to take to the wedding service, if you've got a corporate outing and you need lots of people to go in the same place, these shuttle buses are ideal. And if you do need, say you're going on a ski trip or golfing, we've got great storage in the back. Let's take a look.